Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you that how you can fix the rattling sound in your Sony a6300 camera. Actually I'm talking about this sound. I'm not sure whether the camera can pick up this sound or not, but we all know that like not only in Sony a6300 but in all Sony Alpha cameras, they have these hooks for the neck strap, and they make a really bad rattling sound when we make videos, and that actually ruins the video for us. So let's see how we can fix it. Actually guys, I have already seen some other videos on YouTube on like how to fix this using some rubber from earphones or using some cables, but I actually did not have both of them, and I have actually found a cheaper way to fix this using some cable ties. Okay, so let me go behind the camera so I can show this to you guys. Okay, first let it focus. So here is the hook and here is the cable tie that I have. So what I need to do is we need to actually insert this cable tie from this hole. And then I have to tighten this cable. So guys, actually it's little bit hard for me to do this while I record the video, but still I will try to do my best. So I just need to tighten it a bit more. I think that should be enough. Later once the recording is over I can tighten it even more, but I think you guys get the idea what we need to do here. And after this is done, we have to cut off the extra cable with a scissor. Yeah, that's it. So guys, now you can see the rattling sound is not present anymore. No matter how much I shake, the rattling doesn't happen. And I have already done that on the other side, and I have attached a wrist strap here. So in both ends the audio issue is fixed for me. So guys, it's that easy to fix this. You can do the same. Also, like if you have a rubber from earbuds or a cable, you can do the same. Actually I will attach both those videos in the description below. And guys, this trick is not only for Sony a6300. You can do the same for other Sony Alpha cameras like Sony a6500 or Sony a7 series cameras. So yeah, best of luck with that. So that is it guys for this video. If you like this, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe to my channel. I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, peace.